In this video, I'll show you how to play music from a USB drive on your Samsung Soundbar C450. Very easy. This way, you simply need to load MP3 files on any thumb drive. So I'll go on the back of the soundbar, so I'll just flip it this way. And this is where the power cable goes, but on the other side, you're gonna notice there is a USB port. There is an optical port there and a USB. You simply have to connect it just like on any USB drive, like that. Turn on your soundbar, and once it's on, you're gonna notice there is this button right over here. This is to select the input. Press on it, check on the screen. Now we have BT ready. This is not what we want, so I'll press again, and then you'll have, you see, USB. You can also do the same. Now the sound started playing right away, but you can also do the same thing I just showed you on the remote control, pressing this button right over here to select the input. So this is it. The music will start automatically. If you want to play pause, simply press the play pause button on the remote. It will stop the music. To go to the next one, press the right side arrow. And this is how you can, change through the different files that are on the USB drive. You can leave the USB drive connected in the back. And when you want to use the soundbar with the TV, simply press the same input button and select, depending how you connected your TV, Bluetooth, if it's with Bluetooth, or digital in if you connect it using an optical cable. So this is quite useful. I suggest your USB is formatted in FAT or exFAT, not other formats, to make sure that the Samsung is able to recognize it. And again, just use MP3 files. This is the easiest and most sure way that they'll be compatible. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.